Today is June 1st. We're gonna run around outside with our umbrellas.
What? Is it raining?
In the rain.
In the rain? Okay, guys, go! Alright, there they go. Where are you guys going? Okay, come here and I'll follow you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Owen's going to be the leader. Owen's going to be the leader.
I'm the leader.
Ready, go! Whoa!
Wait, I think that's getting wet.
I'm getting all wet. And Audrey's going inside. All right, Owen. What day is today?
June 1st.
June 1st? What happens at the end of this week?
We're going to Florida?
We're going to Florida.
It's
The end of
the school year.
school year, right?
Yeah.
So at the end of this year, at the end of the school year, what will you be?
A first grader.
Oh, a first grader, huh?
Yeah! A first grader. A first grader who has wet feet. A wet feet first grader.
A wet feet first grader.